everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, everything's a little bit different. I am still in the middle of doing stuff with my basement, so I don't have a recording area. I just have a little table like that hits me in the knees and my ring light, and that is pretty much it. But I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to share with you guys today what I got at Michael's. Now, Michael's is having their mystery grab bags. If you guys are not sure, you definitely want to check out if your store has them before you make a trip. I asked my store when I was there the other day and they said Monday. And I kind of looked at all their stuff that they had and I wasn't really seeing anything that I really liked. So I decided to go to a different Michael's that was on the other side of town because in the past they have had really good items. And I didn't want to go super crazy this time, you guys. Like last time I just bought it and it's like, why do I have all this stuff? So I ended up getting 3 different types of grab bags that you guys definitely want to check out. Now every store is different. Everybody has different stuff. So the first thing that I grabbed was this easel. Now this is a tabletop easel. Right here it says, you know, mystery grab bag, $4. They had a regular easel for that, and then they had one of those like cardboard houses that the kids can color on, and then they also had like a little like grocery store thing that kids can color too. Those were, they had, the store I went to had a ton of them, but I thought for $4 this is a pretty good deal. Now if you guys ever need like gifts and everything, this would make a pretty awesome gift. I don't know how much this costs regular priced, but it's pretty good. I mean, it's just a regular tabletop, and it's got a chalkboard on one side and a dry eraser board on the other. But I thought for $4 that is a good gift. My son is really into coloring lately, and I thought maybe it's something like that. And one thing I do like is it has like the little hooks and stuff on it. So I thought that would be a great deal. If you hear background noise, that is my daughter. She is sitting in a little thing for me while I do my video. So the next thing I saw over by the registers were these giant boxes, and then they had tons of other boxes, and I'm like, and the one boxes I could look in, and then the other boxes were completely sealed, and she's like, yeah, those are all wrapping paper. So there was some boxes that probably had 12 to 18 rolls of wrapping paper for $4, which is a great deal. But I ended up getting this big bad boy, you guys. Like it's about 4 feet wide. So I'm like, I'm gonna get this. I kind of had an idea what was in it, so I'm just gonna dig in and show you guys everything that was in it. They did have some wreath hangers. These were originally $10. I got so many last year, it was ridiculous. But these are kind of cute. You know, if you guys ever need some wreath hooks, definitely go for it. So I got 2 of the $10 ones with the little sleigh. These are really, oh, I thought this was a mini one. I got some regular hooks. These were $6. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, it's a great deal. I like making wreaths, so those are perfect for me. The next thing we got is a thing of bows. I always could use the bows. These are only available in green or red, which is perfect. This was originally $5, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I could always make a wreath with these if I wanted to do that. So $5 for that. And then I ended up getting some pine cones. They do smell cinnamon. I mean, I do smell cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon scented pine cones. These are originally $6. So if you guys ever want to do stuff like that, they do smell good. So I could always do something with those. And the rest, you guys, I did not realize it's wrapping paper galore. So I ended up getting this, what is this? Ho ho ho, have a holly jolly wrapping paper. This was originally $5. I'm just gonna have to go through here. Now I actually got some gift wrap. This is just regular red wrapping paper, which is a great thing. I got some like recyclable wrapping paper. This is it's like brown paper bag material. But this was $5. It just has some snowman on it, so that is good. Another one with the snowman on it. I did not realize how much wrapping paper was in here. This one just says hope, faith, blessings, glory. This was again $5. Another tube, let it snow, $5. That one's good. Here I got some good ones. Like this one has like birds on it, but you could use this as like wedding wrapping paper. This was $5, and this is like a silver, you know, chrome wrapping paper. Awesome. Here's another one. This is silver with, or not silver, this is gold with some snowflakes on it. $5, like right there, you guys. That's awesome. I have it like separated. I got another one with that's pink that says, you know, oh what fun. So lovely. This is kind of cool. I really like this one. This one's like a little, you know, spiral one. These all look like to be $5. Here is another one with some like houses. Again, $5. Okay, we're almost at the end, you guys. So another one that says Noel, Grace for that one. Another one with some trees on it. I got some more gold ones with some snowflakes on it. Another gold one with some snowflakes on it. And then I have a red and green one with some snowflakes on it. Another Let It Snow. Another, yeah, I got, okay, these are the last three I got. So I got a red one with snowflakes on it, and then another silver one with snowflakes on it. I swear I saw one that said cellophane on it. Another silver one, and ones with some lavas in like the cardboard thing. So there is a ton of wrapping paper in here, you guys. And this is each $5. Like, I probably have to add it all up to see how much I truly got. And then I grabbed another bag, and the bags at my store were completely like ripped apart. So I was like trying to figure out what I wanted, and I didn't want to go crazy. So I was not expecting this much wrapping paper, so I'm probably going to give some of this away. You know, why not? So I ended up getting some of this, like, now this looks like it's recycled paper. Because it feels like it's like, you know, the paper bags that you get from the grocery store. So I ended up getting some green ones, which is actually I got one green one, which is a pretty good thing because you don't have to use this just at Christmas time. So we got that. I got 3 red ones of that like brown paper, and then I ended up just getting a regular brown paper wrapping paper. And then I got a snowflake one. So we got that. And then let me show you guys what else I got. So I had to switch the box out and to share with you guys what I got in the bag. Like I said, my bag was falling apart. So I had to have them put it in another one. So one thing I did notice that this was sticking out of the bag were these like little glasses or little, you know, drink cups that's got some glitter in it. And then this has a fox on the top. This was originally $10. I thought that was kind of cute. It is scratched up a little bit. It looks like the straw is broken on the inside, but the straw doesn't really matter. But I thought with my Cricut machine, I could always, you know, make something for the outside and give it as a gift. So that's kind of cool. I did get some gold ribbon. These were originally $5. There is 5 ribbons. I thought this is kind of cute. I can always do, you know, some DIYs with this, so definitely going ahead and do that. Now I am organizing my craft area, so I'm so excited for that. Ribbon. I have so much ribbon, it's ridiculous, but this is actually perfect because I did want to make some DIY with this kind of material. So this is originally $15, and it is 75 feet of like some burlap red ribbon. So that is a great find. Here we got some, that's my daughter, we have some $10 gold sparkly ribbon. That's awesome. This is 25 feet, so perfect. Again, I can make some, I'm planning on making more wreaths, so those come out to be perfect. And then here is some regular like satin ribbon, 75 feet, and this was $15. So that is a great find. Then I got some Santa hats. This is perfect because we always have an ugly sweater party every year, and I always like having the hats. So these were originally $4.99. I got 2 of them in here. Perfect for that. And then it looks like I got some gift boxes, gift card holders. Now these are perfect because we always are giving gift cards away around the holidays, and this is a cute little box that I could give to people. This was originally 99 cents. So 99 cents for these boxes is a great thing. And then it's got some snowman on it that say Let It Snow, if you guys can kind of see it. So perfect for that, because sometimes I end up buying them. I'm like, why do I buy them? I got some more, you guys. So we got 2 more. So that's $5 worth of boxes right there. Okay, we have another one that this one says Merry Christmas. So we got that one, again, 99 cents. We got some regular tin gift card holders. Now these are perfect for me because this is something that we could always reuse over and over again. So this was another tin, and this was originally 99 cents, if you guys can kind of see it. That one, we got more. Here's another of the same tin, so we got that one. And another tin. They just keep popping up on me. Oh, Benjamin's gonna love this. Loving this. So we ended up getting a nutcracker. Benjamin loves nutcrackers. So super cute. I love nutcrackers. This was, doesn't have a price on it. There's another one in here. Let's see if this one has a price on it. It doesn't. So I don't know how much these are, but I like them, you know, 99 cents. Yeah, it says 2019 on here, but there's no price. It just says it's like Ashland. Yeah, so got some nice little nutcrackers. Here I got another glass. This one's not as scratched up. The straw is still good. It's just scratched up a little bit, but I could always make some stuff with this with my Cricut machine. So loving it. Again, $10 for that. Another thing of 5-piece gold ribbon. So I'm definitely gonna make something with these. I'm so excited. Now I got some bags for this, and it's called Baked with Love. So if I make cookies or anything, I can always put these in these little bags. So it looks like they're like some plastic, and then there's like the cardboard, like paper bag material on the top. There is 18 pieces of treat bags in here, and they were originally $5, and I got 3 of them. So that is kind of cool. I got another tin. This one says Happy Hanukkah, 99 cents, so you can't go wrong with another tin. We got another tin, another Happy Hanukkah tin. And then, ooh, what is this? Ooh, a table runner with some bells on it. Love it. I usually have it, I like having a table runner on my table. So that's kind of cute, and this was originally $16. And it is a 72-inch long table runner. So that is super cool. And at the very end, it's got the bells on it, and it looks like I got 3 of them. I got 3 table runners. This one, it has the bells on it. Is this table runners? Oh no, these are placemats. Sweet. So I got matching placemats for these, and there's 2 of them in each one. So I got 4 placemats, which is perfect because we are a family of 4. But they're not the greatest quality, like. But you know what? That is totally fine with me for the price you get for this stuff. I'm actually excited. This is stuff that I could use, which I didn't want to go super, super crazy. And those were, again, those were originally $10. So I got one more item to share with you guys. So I ended up getting some silicone molds. These were originally $5, and it looks like they are penguins. Nope, I got 3 of them. They're stacked on top of each other. But these are super good to like make little things with them, so I thought that was super, super cute. So that is everything, you guys, I got. I'm actually pretty excited. Yes, I did get a ton of wrapping paper, but that is okay. I plan on giving some to my family, because if they want to have some, they can go ahead and have some, because I don't really buy wrapping paper like I used to. But other than that, I think I did pretty good. I didn't want to go crazy. A lot of the stuff they had in the stores were a lot of floral stuff, which I'm not into the floral stuff as much, but I think I did pretty good for basically kind of seeing what they had in the bag. I was pretty excited what I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I might go back to a different Michael's and see what they have, if I can find some other good stuff. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.